What's up, guys? I wanted to make a brief video touching upon the interest rate hike that we've seen happen over the last 6 to 7 months. As we saw on October 26th, the Bank of Canada did increase the rate again by 50 basis points. The Bank of Canada rate now stands at 3.75, which means that the variable and the fixed rates are well over 5%. I wanted to make this video to kind of show that you cannot really put all of your eggs in one basket in terms of leaning on what the analysts feel is going to happen with the interest rate, what their projections are for where the rate is going to go in the future. Although seeing such a substantial increase hike in such a short amount of time has never really been seen before, this material is provided by Polo Loans and it shows that the predictions of the analysts were actually way off. Enjoy.
Is really the Bank of Canada rate. And if you take a look at the variable rate, we're going to add 2.2% on top of that. So if it's at 4%, the variable rate mortgage would be at 6.2% at that time, which is pretty high. Considering the fact that over the last 8 years, I think we had it, the variable rate was at 2.45%. And just to explain to you how volatile the market is these days, okay? This was a projection that these economists did 6 months ago, December 2021, okay?
The same guys that are doing the one on the left did this 6 months ago, so they were way off the mark.
So they think at worst case was going to be 2.5, right? And now they're projecting way up. So hopefully this is the worst case scenario, and there's not going to be another projection that's going to be like this, right? So, I mean, I think if I was to look for another job, I'd probably want to be an economist because you can't never be wrong, right? You just really project again, right?